Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The last 2 weeks have been packed full of AI announcements from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, OpenAI, and then some other integrations that we'll cover in the video. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, it helps the channel grow. Microsoft has started rolling out Copilot for Windows 11 devices. Copilot is an AI companion powered by Bing Chat, which uses ChatGPT to help you find answers, complete tasks, and just be more productive. You can use it to summarize information on the web, generate content for projects you're working on. You can have it create images, sort of the same thing you can do with the Edge Copilot or the Bing Chat if you use it on the web. Copilot in Windows 11 can also open apps and make changes to your PC, like enabling dark mode, for example. They're also rolling out AI into other Microsoft apps. For example, MS Paint now has the ability to remove a background with just a one-button click. The Microsoft Photos app can use AI to make editing photos easier, like one-button click to blur a background. They've also announced that the Bing image generator will be updated to the DALL-E 3 model, and they're also integrating Microsoft Designer into Bing as well, and introducing a new method that allows them to add digital watermarks that marks an image as an AI creation. And then they showcased how Copilot in Word would be used to sort of change the way that we create documents. For example, you could have Copilot build a first draft of a document for you, and then you can edit the document or make changes as needed. Or you can build upon what you've already wrote, and then you can chat with the built-in Copilot chatbot to get information, suggestions, and feedback on the content you're working on. On Monday, Amazon announced it was investing up to $4 billion in cash into Anthropic. Anthropic are the makers of the Claude 2 AI chatbot. If you're not familiar with Claude 2, it's just another large language model, sort of like Google Bard or ChatGPT. In some ways, it's a lot more useful because it can handle much longer bodies of text, give longer results. But this investment gives Amazon early access to the tech that they can start to use to enhance their own businesses. Meta announced their new image generation model, the Expressive Media Universe, or EMU for short. The model will compete with other image generation models like DALL-E or Midjourney. But one of the neat features of EMU is that you can create stickers directly from Meta's ton of messaging apps, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even Facebook stories. Meta is also getting into the chatbot business with a bot similar to something like Snapchat's AI. Another fun feature coming to that, though, is the celebrity AI chatbots. This was actually really cool. Imagine having a sports conversation with like a virtual Tom Brady, or talking MMA with a virtual Israel Adesanya, or this is the most fun one.
Let's get medieval, player.
Playing Dungeons and Dragons with Snoop Dogg as your dungeon master. They also announced a new tool called the AI Studio that'll allow businesses and individual creators to create their own AI applications and chatbots that align with their own personal business values. You get to train those, set them up, and this will eventually make it into the metaverse, where you could have an AI-powered version of yourself in whatever metaverse experience you've built, sort of like a virtual tour guide through your VR experience. Earlier this month, Google rolled out some pretty big changes to Bard, some of the biggest changes we've seen since the launch of Bard, with a focus on quality and accuracy. They also added plugins for Google Docs, Google Drive, YouTube, things like the hotel maps and flights, and it can fact-check itself using Google searches. One of the more interesting features is that now you can build off of conversations shared with you. For example, if I share a prompt with you, you could just pick up that conversation wherever I left off before I sent it to you and have your own version of that conversation. It's going to be a lot of fun for prompt sharing, for example. They also added a built-in Google Lens type thing where you can upload a photo and then get a description of what it is. I discovered this one by accident the other day. Draft with AI is a function now that's built into LinkedIn. So if I click Draft with AI, and I'm just going to paste this in, create a post about how IGN is now using AI-powered chatbots to assist in their guide section, and how this can improve the experience for the player and save them time. I'll hit Create Draft. And then it's generated this post. IGN has recently implemented AI-powered chatbots to assist players in their guide section. This innovative technology can save players time and improve their overall experience. With chatbots providing quick and accurate responses, players can now find the information they need more efficiently. IGN's dedication to utilizing the latest technology showcases their commitment to enhancing the gaming community. And then it's got these hashtags for AI, gaming, technology, and innovation. So speaking of the IGN guides, let's take a look at that now. I go to IGN, go to guides, let's go Red Dead Redemption 2. Red Dead Redemption 2 has the AI chatbot here, so I'll click that. And I'll just say, what's the quickest way to earn money? And it's telling me where to hunt at and why it's the quickest way to earn money. This is a much quicker way than digging through guides to try to find the information you want. This is actually super exciting. So that's it for this video. And honestly, I didn't even get through all of the AI news. There's news from Intel about the chips that they're working on. There's news from OpenAI about DALL-E 3 model that's coming out. And I will do a video about DALL-E 3. I'm going to do a video about Midjourney and some other image generation tools that I use later in the week. But it's a super exciting time for AI. It doesn't show any signs of slowing down. I think at the rate it's moving, we're going to continue to see really, really cool stuff. Once we get these large language models that can run on our own hardware, and that is coming, it's going to be exciting. People are going to do some really cool stuff with it, and I cannot wait to see where it goes next. As a side note, this video will also be available as a audio podcast that you'll be able to find on all of your favorite podcast apps. Search for the Scripted Scrolls. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.